Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 4th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, a stock I'm going to talk about today is a company a lot of you probably know. It's called Royal Gold. This is a leading gold miner. And what you're going to see here is the stock is getting absolutely hammered today, trading down by $4.79 at the moment. Right now, that is estimated to be a pretty sharp decline in Royal Gold. You're going to see that stock right now is down about 6.5% to 7%. That is a huge decline. You're going to also notice that the stock now is trading below this pivot low from late August, early September. That tells us ultimately that the stock wants to go lower. So a lot of traders have been already emailing me today saying, hey, where can this go? Should we be buyers of this stock right now? And the answer is no. Let it fall further. If you take a look at a weekly chart, which is what I like to do very, very often, I like to look at the breakout points. Where did the stock go before its last major breakout? And what you're going to notice is you go right back to this pivot. This is what we call the scene of the crime. And this here level, right here where this black line is being drawn, is right at around 63.50. So when the stock gets down to 63.50, that's where traders can look for a bounce. I would not be a buyer of this equity until that level. Just look today, you can see this stock is trading down $5. I mean, it really doesn't take a whole lot for it to fall further. So stock right now is putting a high, a lower high. It is now closing below a major pivot on the daily chart, and it is also trading below the weekly 20 moving average. So when you see something like that, look for the last breakout point. That's where you'll find some support. It's going to be right down here around 65.50. That's where traders can probably go in and step in and look for a quick bounce. But until then, Royal Gold right now coming under some pretty severe pressure. And anytime you see a stock doing that, you want to just stay back, leave it alone, let it find its low, and then you could trade it. And if you're going to ask me where the low is, again, it's going to be right at that black line, which happens to be right at this breakout point. This is where the stock broke out, back tested, went up. That's where the institutions will come in to try to support the equity. But I would at least say this stock is going to go down and test the 63.50 level ultimately before it's all said and done. And possibly, even though it could bounce there, it could even see lower prices. But right now, I would think 63.50 is probably a level where you could step in conservatively and pick up some Royal Gold for a bounce trade. All right, everybody, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get all of our chart setups. You'll get all of our work on gold, oil, silver, the bond yields. You'll see everything that we're doing. We cover the S&P in there. You'll also get our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow members to come in twice a week, ask us questions about anything market related. We do those broadcasts on Thursdays and on Sunday evenings. And again, all of that is part of the Research Center product. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.